Join me as we go on some adventures in and around Arusha, one of my favourite places in Tanzania. So starting off, I took a visit to Nakuru waterfall, and this is kind of at the base of Mount Meru. And I really wanted to visit Mount Meru, and I didn't really care what kind of hike I did. I just wanted to go and see the mountain, hike around it a little bit, and this waterfall trek was actually perfect. It was mostly going up and down steps, I'm not gonna lie, but then we got to a stream which originated from the waterfall, and we just went upstream until eventually we got to the waterfall. And as you can see, it's this lush green environment. The ecosystem is thriving and it's so magical to see. Truly, the videos do not do it justice. Somewhere we went a couple of times for dinner was Khan's Barbecue, and I am veggie. They did have a veggie plate. If you are feeling like venturing out of Arusha for a little bit, then I can definitely recommend these activities kind of closer to Moshi. Actually, it took about 2 or 3 hours to get to them. The first one being Chemka Springs. This is known as hot springs. I wouldn't describe them as hot springs myself personally. However, they are warm and a very nice swimming spot. I must say I did really enjoy it. We then headed over to a coffee plantation, and this was in Moshi at the foot of Mount Kilimanjaro, and this was the Maturuni coffee plantation.
Pick it one by one, you put the beans here and then you put the buckets. Yeah, beans coffee. And also we put in here. After I put in here, we just roll like this. When you roll it, the beans come this side. You see, my friend? You see? The beans is come this side, the skin back side. You see the skin here? Yeah. This we never use.
No.
This is from the farm, like fertilizer manure. And then this one
and bean.
Yeah. This one you put in the water. One day. Next day, go down, but float. This is machine. We put the beans here. After put the beans, we just pound like this. The one you pound the DJ. The beat of the DJ, the brother they sing, they sing Swahili, they sing Chaga. You from where?
China.
You sing also China song. You from where?
Greece.
Greece. Brother?
Also China.
China.
Japan.
Normally in the world we say ladies first. Ladies first. You be the first. Yeah.
Yes.
Tanzania.
Guys, I don't even drink coffee, and I thought this was a great experience, so it's definitely worth it. The drive back was really long. However, it was quite smooth. At the beginning, we had the sunset to look at, and then we had a view of Mount Kilimanjaro, which is actually not guaranteed always because sometimes it's cloudy and covered by clouds. But once we got to Arusha, that's when the problem started. We stayed in this exact spot for an hour and moved like maybe 10 meters maximum. That's me being very generous. if you're looking for recommendations on where to stay, I can totally recommend Arusha Safari Hostel. It has everything you need and the hosts are so kind. They kindly held a cooking class for us where we learned how to make chapati, which is one of my favorite things ever. I ate it, I kid you not, every single day that I was there, and I was there for like a couple of weeks. So let that sink in. I absolutely loved getting all the views of Mount Meru, and also any chance to watch a sunset, you know, I'll take it. So that's what these clips are from. Something else I recommend is Themi Living Garden, and this is basically a garden where you can go and support local artists, and they have food as well, which is all vegan. But that's everything I have for this video in terms of Arusha. I headed off to Dar es Salaam next, and that's what these clips are from. I really hope you enjoyed watching. There was a bunch of other things that I did as well. So let me know if you have any questions or if you want any specific recommendations, and I will answer any questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.